So hi everyone. In our yesterday's video, we have seen that area of circle and combination of plane figures. Okay, sector and segment. Now just you see. Okay, this circle. You know area of circle is pi r square, isn't it? Now this is segment as I told yesterday, right? This complete known as sector. So you know area of sector theta upon 360 pi r square. Clear? Then this is known as segment. So area of segment minus segment, actually it is area of sector okay, minus area of triangle, isn't it? Area of sector minus area of triangle, you get area of segment. Done? So now depend area of triangle is on theta. Okay, here area of triangle depend on, as I told you yesterday in my previous video. Okay, some standard angle is given to you, that is 60, 90 and 120, right? And actual area of triangle in circle is 1 upon 2 r square sine theta. Okay, so as I told you earlier, when theta is 60, half r square sine 60, and it is 1 by 2 r square sine 60 means root 3 by 2, and finally it becomes root 3 by 4 r square. Okay, because you know when angle is 60 degree, all three sides are equal, right beta? So it becomes an equilateral triangle. Also you can say root 3 by 4 side square. So we will see here root 3 by 4 r square. Okay, when angle is given, sector angle is given here 60 degree. For 90, it becomes 1 by 2 r square sine 90, and you know sine 90 is 1, therefore half r square. Or simply when you can say when it is 90, okay, so base into height, right? So we will say half r square. Okay, area of sector minus area of triangle, and triangle depend on the different angles. Okay, now you see it is very important. Okay, this year for 2020 it is not included the CBSE board. Okay, 120 is in related portion, but just you see, okay, we are getting here 120 is very simple formula. You can use here trigonometry formula. Sine 180 minus theta is, you know, sine theta. Just remember it. So we can write here sine 180 minus 60, because 120 can be written as 180 minus 60. So it becomes again sine 60. Okay, in sine 60 you know here, so root 3 by 4 r square. Once again we will get the same value for 120, because you know sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Okay, for that you will see my video in the trigonometry chapter. Easily you can understand it. Okay, there is no need to break off of this half r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, I am taking the simple formula, sine 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. Okay, so it becomes also sine. Now you see one example of each question, each type, and then we will see. So clear? So, this is regarding your area of sector and segment. The length of arc, this is known as arc. Right? Very simple. Length of arc is theta upon 360 2 pi r. When you say about length of arc means circumference. When you will say about area, okay, means pi r square. right? Now just to take the one example, suppose radius given 7 centimeter. Radius is given 7 centimeter. Okay, so area of circle you can find pi r square, isn't? Circumference you can find c equals to 2 pi r, isn't it? Then find the area of sector. Okay, yes, come on. Area of sector. Okay, here area of sector is theta upon 360 pi r square, means theta is given here. Okay, theta is first you take 60, or simple example take okay 60, no problem. So 60 upon 360, then pi 22 by 7 and radius 7 into 7, because radius given here 7 centimeter, and we are going to find out area of sector. So in this way we will find it, theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta means 60 given, 360 pi 22 by 7, radius 7 into 7. Okay, simply cut it. 7 is gone. Okay, 0 and 0, 6. Now then by 2, 3 and 11. So 77 upon 3. When you divide it, you will get the answer. Okay. So after divided by 77 by 3, you get 25.6667 approximate answer. So this is area of sector, right? Now suppose you have to find out area of segment. Okay. So now area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. And theta is given here 60 degree. Okay, beta. So half r square. Okay, or sorry, you can say half r square sin 60, no problem. So 1 by 2 r square root 3 by 2. So we will get here root 3 by 4 r square. So root 3 by 4. Okay, r means given here 7 centimeter. So 7 to square. So finally we get here root 3 by 4, 49. Okay, when you cancel it, 12.25, 12.5, and when you multiply it, you will get here 21.73. Value the root 3 is into 12.5. Get it here 21.625. Okay, or 62, you take the 62. Then area of segment sector here 25.67 minus 21.62. Okay, or 63, 4.05 centimeter square. This I have taken the approximate. So in this way we can find the area of segment. Okay. In next video we will see for the 90 and 120. Clear? Please note down it and try to understand once again. Area of sector, for that theta upon